Stop scrolling. If you're 20 years old, your brain is currently suffering from a biological glitch that is sabotaging your future. You think you're just stressed, but anatomically, your brain is drowning in brain trash. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you a forensic trick to literally short-circuit your nervous system into total clarity. The science right now, your brain is in a use-it-or-lose-it war called synaptic pruning. It's trying to kill off old, weak connections to make room for your adult life. But because of constant scrolling, you're filling your neural pathways with brain trash faster than your body can clear it out. Your waste management system is backed up, leaving your brain physically overheated. The spicy forensic trick. To empty the trash instantly, you need the 5-second forensic anchor. This isn't just grounding, it's a manual override. Press your thumb hard into the center of your opposite palm and focus only on the heat of that friction. Now look at a single object in the room and identify its forensic texture. Is it porous, reflective, or jagged? By forcing your brain to categorize a complex texture while maintaining physical pressure, you create a neural bottleneck. It force closes the emotional trash loop in your amygdala and redirects every watt of neural power to your forehead. You'll feel a literal cool down behind your eyes. The hidden danger. But here is the catch. This anchor is only a temporary bypass. If you don't fix your underlying brain trash protocol, your brain will continue to prune away your best potential while keeping the junk. You are hardwiring your personality for the next 50 years, right now. The Tuesday Bridge, I've mapped out the entire forensic system for permanently cleaning your neural pathways in my documentary, The Brain Trash Protocol. I've pinned the link below. Watch it now before your brain prunes the very curiosity you're feeling right now. Don't let the trash win. Click the link.